Hi, I'm 𝙿𝚁𝙴. Welcome to The Buyer's Journey, where I answer some common questions about the home buying process, particularly for first-time home buyers. Let's get started. On this episode, I have Julian Hernandez, our in-house mortgage advisor with Raveis, and he's going to talk to us a little bit about the pre-approval process and how to get started with pre-approvals.
Thank you, Alexis. Pleasure to be here. And the process for obviously getting a mortgage is, it can be complicated, but for us, we try and make it simple. Simply put, right, you're going to fill out an application, which is just right on my website. It takes you about 15 to 20 minutes to complete. As soon as you submit that application, we'll schedule some time to go over it together. And that's kind of where we take our deep dive into the financials, right? So pulling your credit, finding out what your budget is, going over your income, your employment, your assets, etc., and ultimately finding a product that's going to work and suit your needs, and on top of that, make you competitive, right, so that you can win homes and offers, because the financing plays a huge piece. So nuts and bolts, that's really the process to get pre-approved. And obviously, if you want to enhance that pre-approval, we have what's called a certified pre-approval. And simply put, it just requires docs so that we can vet you and make sure that everything checks out. So typically, if you're W-2'd, all we're going to require is just 2 months of bank statements. If you're paid a salary, obviously as well, it's just 30 days worth of pay stubs. So if you're paid bi-weekly, it'd be 2. If you're paid weekly, obviously 4. And just 2 years of W-2s and a photo ID. So once we have all that, you're virtually as good as cash, and you're just subject to an appraisal and a contract. And so that whole process, typically, if you're willing to work quick, can be done in about 24 hours. And from there, we ship you right back off to Alexis, and you're good to go to put an offer. So very, very streamlined.
That's fabulous. Thank you, Julian.
You got it.
He's going to come back on the next episode of The Buyer's Journey to talk to us a little bit about different types of mortgage loans. Thanks. See you next time.